I started puking. Just washed this much. Best form of hydration. मेरा ब्रेन फॉग हो रहा है बिकॉज मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या कैसे. They are literally so cute.
खाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा.
They're so pretty. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I just posted one vlog and I vanished, but trust me, I will be very regular this time because I really want to build my YouTube and my community here. I mean, I really don't know what I'm gonna vlog, how much I'm gonna vlog, but I'm just gonna like remove my phone and just shoot everything, whatever I do in my day. And I'm gonna treat YouTube as my real authentic side. I am personally very shy. So I'm just gonna record as much as I can. I will need some time to get comfortable on camera. And right now I'm soaking some vitamin D. I'll go to the gym in 10 minutes. This is what I'm wearing, a normal t-shirt and shorts. I'm done with my workout. I did not record much. मतलब मैंने थोड़े ऐसे clips लिए हैं because मुझे थोड़ी सी शर्म आ रही थी. It's also a swimming pool right outside my gym, but I don't know how to swim. I really want to learn how to swim this year. Best form of hydration. Came back from the gym. I'm sorry, I'm just going to open the window because the light feels better. I had my breakfast, I showered, and then I was supposed to leave for an event which was at the mall. So initially the plan was कि मैं अपनी mom के साथ जाऊँगी to the mall. She's gonna shop and I'll just quickly go to the event and come back and join her. But मुझे अभी पता चलता है कि मेरा event में confirmation आया ही नहीं है. So I am not going there now. So now we are going to another mall which is, oops, मेरा बाल. So now we are going to another mall which is थोड़ा सा पास में हमारे घर के, and we are gonna shop. So basically my mom is going to Delhi and she just need to take a few gifts for her relatives. After that I need to go with my dad somewhere. I'll tell you about that later because it's a very long story. मुझे अपनी outfit दिखानी है.
किसको?
YouTube. I'm wearing a very basic outfit. चलो आप भी कुछ बोलो.
पानी पी ले.
बोलो.
क्या बोले हम?
Guys, this is literally what I have in my bag. Just 2 cards and one a lip gloss sort of thing. ये हम जा रहे हैं H&M में लेने.
छोड़ ना निकालने में.
अरे यार टाइम वेस्ट दिखाएंगे. Fall in Bombay. मम्मी हेयर कट कराने के लिए बैठ गई क्योंकि उनके पास और कुछ करने के लिए था नहीं. So I'm going somewhere with my dad. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. So I just had coffee and I'm taking beetroot chips with me in the car. They are literally so cute and pink. आपको खाना है?
खाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा.
So I am on my way back home and we basically had to go for a meeting with the builder. मतलब हमारी building redevelopment में जा रही है तो we had just had a like meeting with him to discuss the layout and everything. So that happened. I'm literally so tired. I just want to go home and sleep. Right now waiting outside a restaurant like which is right next to my place. We're gonna have mutton for dinner. I think that is all I did today. After this I need to go home, write a script and then give it to the brand because they are like constantly behind me. मेरी 2 दिन से delay कर दिया तो उससे ज़्यादा I obviously cannot. It's the next day. I just woke up sometime back and I have decided I'm not going to the gym because I'm feeling super tired and I have a couple of things to do today. Basically I just need to attend 3 events जिसमें से मैं सोच रही हूँ I'll only be able to attend 2 because तीनों अलग locations पे and the timings are also clashing so it's not possible to be everywhere at the same time. There's one event and one party and दोनों की themes बहुत different है. So I am confused. I quickly need to get ready and leave. So मेरा brain fog हो रहा है because मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या कैसे So just a funny story. So I think last time मैं same friend के साथ एक event पे गई थी and उसके पहले I had बाहर का पनीर. And as soon as we reached the event, I started puking. I was not at all feeling okay. And today for lunch, I again had paneer and I don't have a good feeling about it. So, and now I'm just gonna look for something to wear. So I just got out of the shower and I've just washed this much hair because I'm running super late. I just got a text from my friend. I think she's gonna reach here in 15 minutes and I have to do my makeup, I have to do my hair. Guys, I'm ready. This is my outfit. It's, ignore the mess please. It's a backless dress and I'm carrying this big bag because I have a lot of stuff to carry. And I recently got these earrings from H&M and I think they're looking pretty cool.
हाँ, और एक और चीज होती है, सबको इनॉग्रेट करते हैं, ट्रॉफी वॉफी देती है whatever.
We are going to this party and we are so late that the party is gonna end in another 10-15 minutes. And our ETA is literally 7 minutes. I'm with my friend Krupa. We should put ज़्यादा zoom. Yeah.
Diva is getting ready.
I did थोड़ा आज जैसे black eyeshadow.
I
but
saw.
It's not
very
looking
nice.
good, I think.
What is wrong with you? I saw that the first thing when you entered.
I'm not good at smoky eyes. वो जो भी situation होती है.
Anything?
So cute.
बस यहाँ पे जगह नहीं मिलेगी.
You go first.
No, I am
I need to go. And I'm feeling very awkward. Guys, everyone is leaving and we are entering now. So right now we're going somewhere to eat with 3 strangers. Well, basically Krupa's friends. मेरे ब्लॉग का कंटेंट तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा राइट लेफ्ट.
यहाँ पे देखना है हमें. क्या देखना है?
Just came back home and I am so tired. Like in the first party we reached super late. It was almost over. मतलब like लोग literally निकल रहे थे उस time. So I just met my agency people and then we went to another party which was super boring. And वहाँ से निकलने के बाद we went for dinner. And now I'm home and it's 2 AM. I usually sleep by 12:31 or 1:30 max. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होता ना. I'm so sleepy, so I'm just gonna sleep and I will see you all tomorrow. We're going down to pick a cake. और पता है केक किस कार में आ रहा है? हाँ. Unboxing. Look at this. Oh my god, this is literally so pretty. These are basically cupcakes and I want to show you all one more thing that he got me. So basically it's a card and when you turn it, it says Happy Valentine's Day. And there's a heart on 5th because it's our anniversary and 14th obviously to be his Valentine. This is Pull Me and it says You made me whole. This says I love you. This says I need you. I miss you always and forever. Oh. And this is the last part. It says full and it's basically a handwritten letter. He literally made this and sent me from Canada. And I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Basically, I'm just trying to vlog every week. And in the next video, I'll do a short intro. I posted a story on Instagram long back and मैंने उसके answers दिए ही नहीं अब तक. So I'll just include that in my next video. Just like the video if you liked it. Comment your thoughts about this vlog and so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah. Bye. Good night.